Wawel Castle, located in the heart of Krakow, is a historical and iconic landmark that attracts visitors from all over the world. This magnificent castle complex is of great importance in Polish history and culture. Wawel Castle, often simply called Wawel, is located on a hill overlooking the Vistula River. Its stunning architecture combines various styles, including Gothic, Renaissance and Baroque elements. The intricate details and grandeur of the castle make it an interesting sight to behold. The surroundings of the castle also contribute to its attractiveness. Wawel Hill offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Krakow skyline, making it a popular destination among locals and tourists alike. For those who want to delve deeper into the history and significance of Wawel, guided tours are available with informative commentary on each part of the castle complex. When planning a visit to Krakow, be sure to include Wawel Castle in your itinerary. Its historical significance combined with stunning architecture and picturesque surroundings make it an unforgettable adventure for anyone interested in Poland's colorful past.